Hey there, it's Phil Thompson from streamingchurch.tv. Thank you for using streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. So we're going to show you how you can load up some notes for your streamingchurch.tv video chat platform. So you have an option of doing video only or using the chat platform. We recommend using a chat platform because people can have conversations, they can interact, and they can see lots of other features such as sermon notes or any kind of notes you want to put in there. So there's a tab on this video chat platform that we can show you later in another video. But here's how to upload the notes and put them in that notes section on your video chat platform. Go to streaming page over here from your admin control panel and scroll down and let's look for notes, sermon notes. There it is, sermon notes. So here's something I already put in here, but you can put this in as an admin. There's an image here that I stuck in here, and then I actually copy and pasted from a very short outline from a message I gave a little while back. Now, this is your basic website editor here, so you can do a lot of things with this, and you can even put color on here and just fool around with it and put links if you want to do that. And so what happens is when you put this content in here, whatever content you want to put in here, I mean, you might want to put the bulletin in here, you might want to put sermon notes, whatever's best for your church, and you just click save after you're done. And then on the video chat platform, if you so desire to use it, there's a tab on there that people can click. So while they're watching the video, they can go and they can look at notes or look at whatever content you put in here. And it's just another way to help people connect with what you're doing at your church. So if you have any questions about that or anything, you can chat with us live at the bottom right here, or you can go to streamingchurch.tv. Have yourself a great day, and thanks for using streamingchurch.tv.